Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Here we come again with the latest and beautiful crafting ideas. We hope you like the video, so please must watch video till the end. Stay tuned with us. So let's start the video. Today we are going to explore something very beautiful, very natural and very festive. Pine cones, Christmas ornaments. Pine cones are not a craft, is one of nature most charming little gifts, and during Christmas they become magical. In the video we will talk about how you can use pinecone in your holiday decoration, some easy craft ideas, and most importantly the wonderful benefits of crafting. So grab a cup of tea, relax on your chair, and let's dive into the cozy Christmas journey. As you know, Christmas event is always very precious for us. Everyone wants his house decor with charming and beautiful tree lights and cozy snow Santa. So they remind us of snowy forest. The smell of pine cones is pine trees and cozy winter evening. Pine cones are free, eco-friendly, and versatile. You can paint them, glitter them, hang them, or simply place them in a bowl, and they will instantly give a Christmas vibe. Unlike plastic decoration, pine cones are natural and bring warmth to your home. Viewers, ideas. Let's start the idea. Idea number one is pine cone centerpiece. Place in pine cones in a glass bowl with fairy lights and ornaments. It's create a glow table centerpiece art, cinnamon sticks, and dried orange for extra fragrance. Everyone wants their home is look like glowing and snowy artificial story type. So here is some ideas. We get some pictures and share with you and suggest you how you can decorate your home. All tutorials and DIY craft in our channel. You can visit our channel. There is lots of and beautiful crafting and DIY tutorials which can help you to decorate your home, and we are very appreciative to your support and watching our videos and share with your friends and family. So come to the point. Idea number three, pinecone garland. Tie pinecone with the twins or jute rope and some greenery and hang into on your free place. Mental simple, you are stunning. Second is place small pine cones around a candle jar. When the candle lights up, it gives rustic cozy glow and gives you amazing lantern. Take a big pine cone, paint in a green, and add beads on sequence. Suddenly you have a cute mini Christmas tree for your desk or shelves. Instead of plastic bows, you use small pine cones or gift wrapping. Tie them up with ribbon. It's look classy and eco-friendly. As you know, crafting is not just a stress reduce, but you can start with your own small business. Crafting is a most valuable business in those days, you know that. Take a wooden tray and artificial snow, small paintballs, and a few candles. It become a magical winter display. Add a few drops of cinnamon or vanilla essence oil to pine cones. Place them in a bowl. Now you have a natural fragrance holiday. Crafting is a therapy. When you are pairing, glowing, and arranging pine cones, your mind relax. It takes you away from worries and puts you in a creative flow, and you make a masterpiece. Christmas craft are best when done together. Kids, parents, even grandpa and grandparents can join us. It's not just decoration, it's making memories. And every craft behind a beautiful stories. And when you share it with your friends and family, you feel proud on your crafting. And where you are placing these items, you feel proud when you see that and someone say that it's a wonderful and beautiful. So come to the point, turning simple pine cones into a art, improve imagination. You learn how to see beauty in small thing instead of buying plastic decoration. Using a pine cones help nature. They are biodegradable and recyclable. Why spend extra money when nature gives you a free decorations? Pine cones save a money and look even better than store-bought items. Crafting keeps you present in the moments. Every brush stroke, every glitter sprinkles make you more mindful. When you finish a beautiful pumpkin craft, you feel proud. It boosts confidence and spreads happiness. And you see that your kids and your parents love your arts. Handmade pumpkin craft make meaningful gifts. When someone receives them, they feel your love and your effort. So, friends, pumpkin are not just decoration; they are a symbol of creativity and nature and togetherness. With a little imagination, you can turn them into a rich ornaments, centerpiece, and so much more. And while crafting, you are not just decorating your home, you are decorating your heart with joy and peace. The Christmas tree, pine cones, ornaments, and experience the beauty of nature mixed with magic of crafting. Viewers, hope you like the video, and I really very appreciate your support. I like your support, and I'm thankful to you to watching our videos and subscribe and share with your friends and family. So my friends, if you like this video, so please share your comments and your thoughts. We will work on it and update you and share with you in our next video according to your comments, your thoughts, your suggestions. Happy Christmas and stay at home. Enjoy your events, your holiday with your friends, your family, with your kids. Love you all.